In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these thick, soft pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. These are the ingredients that you will need. First, set your oven to 350 degrees. We need 1 cup of canned pumpkin, or I use the pumpkin puree that I made in my last video, 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of oil, and 1 egg. Also, a tablespoon of vanilla. We're going to mix that together really well. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 teaspoon of milk in a small bowl. Mix that together until it's dissolved, and then add that to your pumpkin mixture. Give that a quick stir. In a separate, smaller bowl, you're going to add 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Stir that together really well. And then we're going to add that into our pumpkin mixture bowl, and we're going to mix until blended. Just do not overmix. For the chocolate chips, I just used what I have on hand. Today it was semi-sweet mini chocolate chips, but you can use whatever you would like. It says 1 to 2 cups of chocolate chips, but I like to add almost the whole bag and save about a handful to put on the tops of the cookies before I put them in the oven. Here I used 1.5 tablespoon scoop, and I'm scooping them about 1 to 2 inches apart. I top them with chocolate chips. And then we're going to put them in the oven that we preheated to 350 for 10 minutes. Here are the cookies and how they look when they're done. I'm going to scoop them onto a plate so they can finish cooling off. And this is your finished cookies. Enjoy! Thank you for watching my video, and we'll see you next time.